Today we're going to be doing a product review of Die Hard Dice, almost as a company rather than a specific product because I got so much stuff from them that I can't just review the 3 things that I ordered. I ended up getting 6 sets of dice, but we'll talk to that in a minute. First off, I have not been paid by them, so this is not a paid deal. This is just a review that I wanted to do for them because I think they have a quality product. Now, I bought 3 sets. I bought the Spellbinder Inferno D6 dice here. I also bought the Blue and Purple Wisp, and I bought the Mac Daddy, the Mythica Battleworn Gold. We'll get to each of those, but first let's look at the Spellbinder dice sets. Now, that one is a 2-toned color set, and obviously it's a metal dice. The 2-tone colors I got are gold and red. They pop extremely well, even on red felt, so I really was happy with these, and they function just like a normal dice. The next set I got was the Blue and Purple Wisp set, which combines pink, blue, and gold, which is fantastic. It looks like it's straight up out of the 80s, and the clear parts are extremely clear and have no bubbles in them, which is very important if you want to be able to see the kind of wispy material on the inside. And there's not a lot of it. It's not overpowering, which I think is great. And this set is the first set that I've been most excited about, the D6 and the D4. You can see the indented letters on the inside just from how clear they are. So I think this is a really quality set. The D20 looks amazing. The D12 looks amazing. All of them are fantastic dice. But let's talk about the big boy, the one that made me stop and go, you know what? I do need a set from Die Hard Dice. It's their Mythicist set. I got the Battleworn Gold because why wouldn't I get gold? Gold is the best. If you settle for less than gold, you're cheating yourself. And their Mythicist set is one of their newer ones. It comes with this cool case that is expandable. It not only holds the dice that you get, but it has room for you to take out the foam in the corners and get other dice that you got from them or anywhere else. They'll all fit in there, and put it into your carrying case as well, because how often do you want to carry just one set of dice? If you're watching this video, you are definitely a dice fan, so you know that that's not going to happen. D6s, D8s, everything fits in there pretty fine. The only thing that doesn't fit in the expandable storage is the D20, but that middle row there can fit all your D20 needs, so don't worry about it. You will be absolutely fine. And this is all just bonus for the set anyway. It's free, you don't have to pay anything extra, and that's good for me. I like free things. Now, if you're proficient in perception, you might have noticed that there is a card in the back of these things. This card has some old insults that you can roll 3d10 and you get some neat little insults off of. On the back of the card, it's just a thank you for buying from them, and they're really neat, so I highly recommend them. But another thing about the case is the tops and bottoms have this really nice foam stuff so that you're not going to scratch your dice if you accidentally shake them in the case. Now, let's talk about the actual Battleworn set. I have so many good things to say about the Battleworn set. This is the D6 here, and it's a good example of being able to see the texture on the inside. Now, the metal on the outside is made to look like it's been rolled a billion times and it's lived many, many years, right? Which I think is cool, but it's that texture on the inside that makes that metal pop. Because it's a textured surface, the smooth material on the metal really stands out, and you can see those numbers. Light, dark, doesn't matter. You'll be able to see the numbers, which really is the most important thing. They got a nice weight to them, but I think the best way to look at them now would be to compare them to the cheaper metal dice that you can get just off of Amazon. You can see they've got raised numbers, which helps them stand out even more, and I just really like the set. And another really important thing to me is look at these D4s. All of the edges are flat. They're not sharp. I can push down on this thing incredibly hard and it doesn't hurt. If I step on this thing, I'm taking a trip to the ER. It's just how it works. It's the same thing on their D10s, their D8s. Anything that's got a sharp surface has been ground down so that it's not going to kill you if you accidentally step on it. They're also a little bit bigger than most normal metal dice. Now, I want to talk to some of the free stuff they gave me. I'm not a special snowflake. They do this for anybody who just tells them where they found their website at. So tell them you found it from me, because I think that would be cool. They gave me this Spellbinder D20, which is absolutely gorgeous. I'm really looking forward to getting my own full red and gold Spellbinder set at some point, but I do prefer my Battleworn dice. It just pops out a lot easier, and man, it is a gorgeous set. They also gave me their Moonstone set, which they said is their most popular. After seeing this, if I didn't have this, I would immediately buy it. It's incredibly reflective and shiny. And then they also have this D8, which is gold, that they gave me for just saying I found them on Reddit. They said they were giving me their own piece of Reddit gold. So I truly don't have a bad thing to say about Die Hard dice. The only thing is their dice are a little pricey, but that's what you get when you're paying for a quality product, right? You're paying for the quality, and they definitely have the quality. Now, they even hand wrote me a little note because I told them, hey, I'm going to be doing a review of your dice, so if you want to use it in promotional material, just go ahead, do it. Why not? And it was so awesome. You may say that this skewed my review on it, but they gave me one thing for free compared to the two that they were already going to be giving me. So again, I have nothing but great things to say to them. If you go to their website, you'll only find 5 stars, and they deserve every single one of those stars. I know this was different than our normal video cadence, but I wanted to try something new and talk about a company that I think was really good. So if you like this, let me know in the comments down below, and subscribe if you might want to see some more videos like this in the future. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a fantastic day.